Paul Hogendorn, co-founder of FreePoint Technologies, here once again. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the Industrial Internet of Things, or the IIoT. I'm sure you've heard a lot about it. It's probably a confusing topic. You've heard about many, many different things, and it's left you wondering what it is. What it really is, as far as you are concerned as a manufacturer, it's the way to connect your machines the way they are today to a larger data source, perhaps in the cloud, perhaps on-prem. So the IIoT is your way to connect legacy machines, new machines, manual processes, to connect everything to the cloud. I like to think of the IIoT on the plant floor basically as a Fitbit for your machines. When are your machines healthy? When are your machines not healthy? How do you install a Fitbit? You clamp it on your wrist. How should you be able to install an IIoT device on your machines? Just as simply. If you think that the IIoT requires all sorts of infrastructural changes to your IT system or your network, then I think that you're not understanding what the IIoT can do for you today. The IIoT is supposed to be the thing that makes it easier to connect your machines, not the thing that makes it hard. For instance, at FreePoint, we have very simple black boxes that we like to think of as commodity items. Any black box can connect to any machine today without modifying the machines, wirelessly, without requiring any configuration change to your network, and many times it will also connect non-invasively to your machine through a simple non-invasive connector. And just as importantly, the IIoT technologies should be considered for getting information from your machines quickly, automatically, empirically, but at the same time, you should also look to IIoT technologies to get information to your workforce, to your people, and even from your people. Think of IIoT as the Internet of Things for industry. As examples, we have connected machines that were built in 1928, one machine actually built in 1914, as is, without modification, to the cloud. How did we do that? Through IIoT. Can you do that with any machine today as the machine is? Yes. Does it take a lot of money? No. One common misconception is that people believe they have to wait for modifications to be made to their infrastructure, their IT infrastructure, or to their machines, or they're months or perhaps years away. But with the IIoT, you're not years away. When should you get started? When can you get started? I say you should get started today. You can get started today. Another common misconception is that it's expensive. The IIoT is not expensive. As a matter of fact, it's very inexpensive. Last year, our average cost of connecting two machines on the plant floor in their existing state was less than $1,500 per machine. It's not expensive, it's not hard, you don't have to wait for the future, you can get started today.